this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or coupon code on the Audible app. So let's just get straight into the video. Open your Audible app, click on your profile, and this is where you can simply go ahead and click on the settings icon. And you can also simply go ahead and look for the marketplace tab right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and switch to whatever marketplace you want to get into. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the join tab first. And once you've joined it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the redemption page, which is going to be on a browser. So you can directly head into this as well, by the way. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for audible.com/redeem. And you're going to be taken to the redeem your gift card page. Click on redeem your gift, and that is it. Enter it right here and click on redeem. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.